and everyone could plainly see that I'd make any man my clown. I broke the hearts of many men. The way I did it sure was a sin. But now those days are gone. Since my hidey-ho man came along, I fell for a hidey-ho man, and it means the world to me. And I don't want to make you understand what's on him to see. Sometimes I quit him, it's all in vain. It's just too bad when he hides out again. My little hidey-ho man. Bobbity-doo-doo-doo-doo. But he ain't worth a dime. Now all that I can ever get from him is just a gang of beat-up ties. Say he treats me mean and he sometimes hit me. I don't care as long as he don't quit me. My little hidey-ho man. I'm gonna bum, beg, borrow, and steal all I can till he can have his correct money. Say he stays out late, won't even phone. Tells me my place is home alone. Such a little hidey-ho man. Now I'm mighty like a rose, all dressed up in fancy clothes. I'm just another brown gal that's all full of vim. Well, here's the fix that I'm left in. Now I'm a brown gal, making my life just a bubble. Not even taking the trouble to even blow the bubbles away. Brown gal, chocolate gal, with good intentions, but I break all conventions. And I'm changing all my nights into days.